To make a call, touch the phone icon and then touch an option to make a call to a number from the incoming, outgoing, or missed calls list. An entry in the phone book, one of your saved favorites, or by entering a phone number manually. To dial an entry in the phone book using voice commands, push the talk switch on the steering wheel, then say call followed by the name of a phone book entry. When using voice commands, press the talk switch again to cancel. To accept an incoming call, press this button on the steering wheel or touch this icon. To reject an incoming call, press this button on the steering wheel or touch this icon. If a call is placed to the phone while another call is active, a notification will appear on the screen. Touch this icon to place the current call on hold and accept the incoming call. Touch this icon to reject the incoming call. When two calls are active, touch switch call to switch between the two calls. While a call is in progress, you can touch use handset to switch the phone call to the handset for privacy. Mute to mute or unmute the vehicle microphone but not the other caller. Keypad to enter digits for services such as voicemail. Or hold to place the call on hold. To end a call, press this button on the steering wheel or touch hang up. Please see your INFINITI InTouch Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.